Good morning, Aisha. How are you today?
Good morning, sir. I am fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too, thank you. Did you practice English speaking after our last class?
Yes, sir. I tried to speak in English every day. I talked to myself in front of the mirror.
That's great, Aisha. How did it feel?
At first, it was funny. I laughed at myself. But after 2 or 3 days, I started to enjoy it. I can say small sentences now without thinking too much.
Wonderful. That's real progress. You're becoming more confident. Do you remember what I said last time? Practice, patience, and positivity.
Yes, sir. I remember. Practice, patience, and positivity. These three things make English strong.
Excellent. Now, today, we will talk about your daily routine, what you do every day from morning to night. This is a good way to practice using simple English sentences. Are you ready?
Yes, sir. I am ready.
Okay. Tell me, what time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning.
Very good. And what do you do after waking up?
I brush my teeth, wash my face, and then I offer prayer. After that, I help my mother in the kitchen.
Excellent. You are using verbs correctly. Brush, wash, offer, help. Very nice. Continue.
Then I eat my breakfast and get ready for school.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
Sometimes I eat eggs and bread. Sometimes I eat paratha with tea.
That sounds delicious. What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 7:30 a.m.
Very good. What do you do at school?
I attend my classes, talk with my friends, and study different subjects. My favorite subject is English.
I'm happy to hear that. Why do you like English, Aisha?
Because English is an international language. When I learn English, I can talk to people from other countries. And I can also watch English movies and understand them.
That's a great reason. English connects people all over the world. Now, what time do you come back from school?
I come back at 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
And what do you do after coming home?
First, I eat my lunch, then I take some rest. After that, I do my homework.
Very good. How long do you study in the evening?
I study for 2 hours, then I go outside and play with my friends.
That's good. Balance between study and play is important. What do you do at night?
At night, I have dinner with my family, then I watch a little TV. After that, I read a book or revise my lessons. Finally, I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Perfect. You explained your daily routine very nicely, Aisha.
Thank you, sir. But sometimes I forget which word to use, like in or on or at.
Ah, yes, prepositions of time. Let me explain simply. We use at for a specific time. Example, at 7 o'clock, at night. We use in for parts of the day or months. Example, in the morning, in July. We use on for days and dates. Example, on Monday, on 5th March.
Oh, I see. So I can say, I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning on weekdays.
Perfect sentence, Aisha. You understood it very well.
Thank you, sir. I will try to use them correctly.
That's great. Now let's practice pronunciation for some daily routine words. Repeat after me. Wake up.
Wake up.
Brush teeth.
Brush teeth.
Take a shower.
Take a shower.
Go to school.
Go to school.
Do homework.
do homework.
Excellent pronunciation, Aisha. Your speaking is becoming clearer.
Thank you, sir. I listen carefully when you speak.
That's a good habit. Listening helps improve speaking. The more you listen, the better your pronunciation becomes.
Sir, sometimes I forget English words. What should I do to remember them?
That's a very good question. You can make small notebooks called word diaries. Every day, write 5 new words, their meanings, and 1 example sentence for each.
Okay, sir. For example, if I learn the word beautiful, I can write, the garden is beautiful.
Exactly! That's a perfect example. If you revise those words daily, your memory will become stronger.
I will start from today.
Excellent! Also, try to use those new words in your daily speaking. For example, when you talk about your day, add new words like, today was exciting, my breakfast was delicious, the weather is pleasant.
Yes, sir. I will use new words in my sentences.
Very good. Now tell me in English, how was your morning today?
My morning was good. I woke up early. I brushed my teeth and took a shower. Then I ate breakfast with my family.
Wonderful! That's a nice description. Try to add more details. What did you eat? How did you feel?
I ate paratha and egg. I felt happy because the weather was cool.
Excellent, Aisha. Adding feelings and details makes your English sound natural.
Thank you, sir. I will try to speak like this every day.
That's the right spirit. Remember, English is not about speed. It's about confidence and clarity. Speak slowly and clearly, and people will understand you better.
Yes, sir. Sometimes I try to speak fast and then I make mistakes.
Exactly. Even native speakers sometimes speak slowly. There's no need to rush.
Okay, sir. I will speak slowly and clearly.
Very good. So, for your homework, I want you to write 10 sentences about your daily routine. Then, practice saying them aloud.
Okay, sir. I will write and practice.
Excellent. In our next class, we will learn how to talk about your family in English. Who is in your family, what they do, and how to describe them.
That sounds interesting. I'm excited for that class.
I'm glad to hear that. You're learning fast, Aisha. Keep up the good work.
Thank you so much, sir. I will keep practicing.
Very good. That's all for today. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir. You too.